Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're continuing to bring my Golf R's maintenance up to date before we go stage 2 E85. Last week I installed NGK iridium spark plugs, 1 step colder, 034 high output coils, and Shop DAP ignition ground harness. Today I'm actually going to be changing the engine oil and filter. I got a few while you're in there items, and more importantly, I want to check the condition of the steel oil pan that I put in last year. On that video I've had a lot of people ask me about how it's doing, if it started to leak, etc. So you know what, let's just, while we're in there, let's take a look, let's check out the condition of the paint, if it's flaked or is it rusting or what. So yeah, let's get to it. Let me show you guys what I have. As always, we got my Liquimoly 5W40 Moligen, my favorite oil. I also have a Kang's oil filter, the usual. This is one of the things that I am upgrading, the oil filter cover. The one from factory is plastic. It does sometimes crack and leak. It's something that you typically don't have to worry about, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. Why not? Throw an aluminum one in there, make it look a little nicer. This is not a need, this is more of a want. Also, while I'm in there, I am upgrading my drain plug to a magnetic one that I got from Amazon. And it also has new crush rings, which I don't have right now, so this kind of worked out for me. And I'm also replacing this, Volkswagen calls it oil filter adapter, but it's basically the stick that the oil filter goes into when you pop it out of the oil filter housing. And, you know, well, it's made of plastic and it's 8 years old. It's also very cheap, so it just makes sense to, while you're in there, go ahead and replace it. I don't have any issues with mine right now, but I mean, again, I'm already in there, so why not replace it, put a fresh one in there from Volkswagen. I did get all of this stuff from FCP Euro. None of this is sponsored. All right, so I have good news and bad news. Good news, oil pan not leaking, it's in mint condition, and I'm gonna show you right now. Bad news, I do have an oil leak, but it seems to be coming from the rear main seal. If you guys are familiar with this engine, you'd know that one of the common issues is actually the positive crankcase ventilation system, the PCV valve basically, especially when they're modified, like this car, and also with age. All signs seem to point to a leaking rear main seal, but I just don't know if it's because of age or because I'm having my PCV valve that's going out. Because that's the likely culprit, I'm going to go in that direction. I'll make a video for that in the future. But yeah, let me show you the oil pan right now. It's a bit dusty, but everything is fine. Here's the leak that I'm telling you. See, it looks like it's leaking in the corner there, but I think that's just accumulation blowing out from over here. The rest of the perimeter of the oil pan is perfectly fine and dry. Everything looks good here. But that there is the leak. By the way, if you're still watching at this point, thank you guys so much. It does help me. I do appreciate it. I mean, if you give me a like and consider subscribing, even better. I do try to make as many of these videos to try to help people learn how to do stuff, or at least get the desire to try to learn more about their car and hopefully save money. That's really my goal. So, you know, the more we can get the word out there, the more we can help other people. So thank you guys. So spring side at the top. Right, so here's all the old stuff versus the new stuff. You got the drain plugs here. This is one that came with the steel oil pan versus the new magnetic one. This is the adapters. Obviously it has O-rings and stuff that I've never really replaced, so it just makes sense to go ahead and replace this whole thing. Obviously the new aluminum cap, oil filter, and you always want to make sure you lubricate whatever new O-rings you're putting into the vehicle. Never go in there dry because you risk binding them and then you'll have a leak. Go spring to the top. Click, 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 click. Click, click. Yeah, for all you guys that said I need to use a torque wrench. There you go. You heard the clicks. You know, something that I don't like about this car is the fact that there's this baffling right under the cap here for the engine oil. And it makes it so annoying that you can't really stick a good funnel in it. A normal funnel. And you end up making quite the spill because it pushes back from it. So I'm using this little thing, but it's going to take forever. I know they sell funnels that are specifically for this opening. I'm going to invest into one of those. They're not that expensive. I just totally forgot about it. But man, come on, Volkswagen. That's what I hate this damn. That's what it is. Is it still recording? Oh, you are still recording. Let's turn you off. Okay, I'm back to work here. All right, guys, well, there you go. One more item off the list of maintenance for this car. We're getting closer to go to that stage 2, but I'm gonna have to take a little deviation because I still need to buy all the fluids for the transmission, the differential, etc. And also, we just learned that I very likely, can't confirm until we replace it, but we very likely have a bad PCV valve on my car. So I will be replacing that as well. All of that before stage 2, which, you know, this car has everything for stage 2 except the high flow catted downpipe, which is right here. So that's coming up. Another thing that I have, might as well give you a teaser now since we're here, is this bad boy. I scored a heck of a deal on a 10-inch kicker comp sub and a kicker amp to go with it. I got that from a friend, and I am very excited because I do love the sound system in this car, but the bass, it ain't all that good. So we're gonna take care of that right now with this thing. I will probably be doing that tomorrow, so I'm excited. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.